Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to manage parental controls. In the beginning, make sure that you're connected to your account and go to Settings. Now enter Family and Parental Controls. And now you can set up PS5 console restrictions, but firstly select your password. As you can see below, we've got numbers from 1 to 0, and each of the number is assigned to a specific button on the controller. Press the button with the specific number to select your PIN number. Now, you can manage user creation and guest logging. You can set up parental controls for new users. You can temporarily disable PS5 controller restrictions. And you can change your console restriction passcode. Currently it's 4 zeros, let's set it to 4 ones. Then you can go back and enter Family Management. From this menu you can add family member. Simply scan the QR code with your mobile device or access the URL below. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.